Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two fantastic espresso makers, the Moka Express Alpina and the New Brikka by Bialetti. Fire, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews like this. Let's dive right in. Both the Moka Express Alpina and the New Brikka share the same exceptional build quality. The Moka Express Alpina boasts the iconic gentleman with a mustache, a symbol of traditional Italian coffee making since its invention in 1933. On the other hand, the New Brikka features the same timeless design, with the gentleman proudly displayed on its body. It's hard to beat the charm and significance of these espresso makers. When it comes to the brewing experience, the Moka Express Alpina introduces you to the authentic Italian way of preparing a tasteful coffee. Fill the boiler, add ground coffee, close it up, and place it on the stovetop. Once it starts to gurgle, turn off the heat, and voila, your coffee is ready. The New Brikka, on the other hand, takes it a step further, delivering an intense and crema-rich espresso coffee. It's incredibly simple to use with its measuring cup and straightforward brewing process. Both offer a delightful experience, but it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Whether you prefer a single shot or a bigger cup of coffee, both the Moka Express Alpina and the New Brikka have got you covered. The Moka Express Alpina offers various sizes, allowing you to enjoy your coffee in espresso cups or larger containers. The New Brikka is available in two sizes, a 2-cup espresso and a 4-cup espresso, perfect for catering to different preferences. Additionally, both espresso makers are compatible with gas, electric, and propane camp stoves. However, if you have an induction cooktop, you will need to purchase the Bialetti adapter plate for it separately. And that wraps up our comparison of the Moka Express Alpina and the New Brikka espresso makers. Both of these Bialetti products offer exceptional quality and a genuine taste of Italy. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of the Moka Express Alpina or the intense flavors delivered by the New Brikka, you're sure to enjoy a delightful coffee experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below, letting us know which one you prefer or if you've tried either of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.